To create a virtual environment, first create a folder. Now open this folder. To open the command prompt from here, in the address bar remove the address and type cmd and press enter. To create a virtual environment we need to install virtual env. To install virtual env type, pip install virtual env and press enter. In my computer virtual env was already installed, that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now type python-mvenv.venv and press enter. You can give any other name too instead of .env. Virtual environment is created successfully. To activate virtual environment type .venv /scripts/active and then press enter. Virtual environment has been activated successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video and also subscribe to the channel.